Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create procedural spiroglyphics inside Houdini. So what is spiroglyphics? So basically it is an optical illusion. So like as you see over here in this particular image, we can see one face, but it created through a spiral which has a specific thickness of it, which basically eliminate this particular character. Okay, so let's move into Houdini to check how we create this one. So first of all, I'm going to create one geometry container. I just go inside that. Here I'm going to call one lab spiral, which has some parameters. So I just set my radius to be 1, this one, and now I need to increase the loops. So like I just set it to be 60, but while increasing these particular loops, we need more points. So what I prefer, I just copy this parameter and 300 multiply with this loop value. So paste relative reference. Okay, so we get a very good spiral over here. Now I prefer to apply one resample. And I just set my length to be 0.01 as we have the image sizes like that or spiral sizes like that. Now as we are going to apply one image onto that, I just prefer to apply one UV unwrap, and here strip and stretch. Now I want to apply that image information onto these spiral points. So for that reason, I'm going to apply attribute from map, where I can assign an image. So here I prefer to go with grayscale image. So I'm using one image of a very popular singer, Lata Mangeshkar ji. So I just apply that, and see, you can see the color information of that on my points. Okay, so I just turn off my grid. Now I need to apply this particular color information as my P scale, as I want to basically work on thickness of this particular spiral. So for that reason, I just apply one attribute wrangle, in which I just apply at P scale is equal to at cd.x. Okay, you can also write R. I am right here X, as it is grayscale, so you can either use X, Y, Z, anyone. And I just convert my color to be 0. Okay, so now we have this, but we can't see that image. But now that color information now stored in P scale. So now I'm going to apply one sweep operator, in which I need to set my surface shape to be ribbon, and here I just need to set my width. So for that reason, what I prefer, go to this radius, so copy parameter, paste relative reference, and again come to this spiral, copy this loop information, copy parameter, again jump into this sweep and divide it, should be in bracket, paste relative reference +1 to get a bit gap in between. But right now I get something like that. That is weird. It look like we get invert of this particular thing. So for that reason, I again jump into this attribute wrangle, and here we should apply 1 minus at cd.x, and see, boom, we are getting that information, we are getting that image. Okay, I prefer to go with gray color. Okay, now if you want some inverse, likewise I want that background is my black and I want my stroke to be white. So at a time I just press D, set it to be dark, and now here in attribute wrangle you should apply the cd.x as well as You need to change your color to be white, and again we will get similar kind of impact, but now we have white stroke. And yes, here in sweep I prefer to go with one column. We are not increasing our polygon count. Shift W. Okay, so that's how we can create spiroglyphics inside Houdini. Very easy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you soon with another